Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my Ipsy unboxing for the month of April. If you're new, hi, my name is Sarah. I'd love for you to join the fam, so hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell so that way you stay notified of when I upload. Let's go ahead and get started with this unboxing. So it's been a minute since I've done an Ipsy unboxing on my channel. I just don't know if you guys are interested in that type of stuff. I know I am. I like seeing what other people get. Everyone gets different stuff. The theme for the month of April is called Social Butterfly. It says, fact, life's too short and your makeup looks too good to skip all the fun stuff happening right now. Instead, we challenge you to be your best self, have your best spring, and RSVP yes to everything that comes your way. A new friend request? Yep. Sunday making party with your niece? Random date night on Tuesday? Heck yeah. 90s trivia and wine tasting? You're in. It says swipe right, check yes, and load up your calendar. You're going to be one busy bee this month. Luckily, we've got your hair, makeup, and mani plan covered. Don't forget to head over to Ipsy mobile app for inspo, ideas, and everything you need to know about your glam bag picks. The bag is so super cute. Okay, before I drop it, I love this detail, this chrome pink shade right here. And the cute little butterflies on it. On the other side, it's like a lavender shade. The little Ipsy logo is also metallic as well. The inside of the bag is also the same shade as this. First thing I got in here is the Briogeo Rosarco, reparative leave-in conditioning spray. I got this in a full size. I think I got it in a sample size and I loved it. I got it in the full size and I loved it. Especially for Savannah's hair because it gets really tangled easily after she gets out of the bath. So I love spraying this in her hair and it kind of just like relaxes all the tangles and stuff and it makes it really easy to comb out, and it also conditions her hair too. The reason that I don't use it right now is because I wash my hair maybe once a week, 1.5 weeks max. So I don't like to put a lot of leave-in products in my hair because that makes my hair oily faster. The next product in here is from Mud Masky. It is a facial detox purifying recover mask, pore refining, hydrating, anti-aging, brightening, and smoothing. Alright, so it's just this little guy right here. The next thing in here is from Nomad. The little packaging is cute. It's a Stockholm. It's a highlighter in the shade Midnight Sun, and it's this cute little compact like this. That is the shade of it. It looks kind of like a soft peach shade. I'll go ahead and I hate messing up stuff on here. Like if it has like a print or something. Okay, ooh, look at that. Let's see if you guys can see it. Wow, that is gorgeous. So it kind of has like a slight peach undertone with some gold tones in there. Really, really pretty. It doesn't swatch as light as it looks in the pan, actually. So there it is in the pan, and you can see it there. Wow, it is so smooth and pretty. Oh my god. The next thing in my bag is from Glamour Dolls, and looks like it's just a blending brush like so. And I'm not disappointed. I love getting brushes in my bag. The last thing in here is from Ciate London. It's the Fierce Flicks liquid eyeliner pen. It's full size. I wanted to talk to you guys real quick about my Play subscription box that I'm no longer receiving. I opted out of it because I only get to use maybe 1 or 2 products that are cruelty free. The rest of them are not cruelty free and just things that I don't find like beneficial to me, my skin type, and stuff like that. So my last bag was for January 2018. This is what it looks like. I know it's super old, but it's 2018 Happy You Year. It comes with a little pamphlet and a 50 Beauty Insider point redemption right here. You just take it in with any purchase and you get free 50 Beauty Insider points. We got this Boscia exfoliating peel gel. Boscia's not cruelty free, although some people will argue that, but as far as like my cruelty free standing, it's not cruelty free for me. This is the Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream. I don't know how many times they've stuck this eye cream in Sephora Play boxes. That's another issue, is that they keep like recycling the same samples over and over. It's actually a really good eye cream. I enjoyed it when I had it. But I'm probably going to pass this on to Shane's mom because she's always into eye creams and stuff like that. I think she uses Clinique. If not, Shane's grandma, she loves Clinique. So I might pass that on to her. I got a Glam Glow Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. God, I really wish Glam Glow was cruelty-free. Before going cruelty-free, I enjoyed using their stuff. I always got sample sizes, or I always tried to like redeem my points every time I saw Glam Glow, but I could never like bite the bullet and buy full size of their masks just because they're really expensive. This is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It is the Kristen Lip Gloss. I know I'm like an all matte lip all the time type of girl. I've been kind of feeling glosses lately, so I'm really curious on the formula of these Anastasia Beverly Hills glosses. If you've tried these, let me know if you like them or not. And then from Way, it is a treatment mask. So I probably need to do that with my hair. I have been blow drying it a little more than usual just because I've been in a hurry and I've been needing my hair to be dry like super fast, kind of repair the hair from being damaged. All right, now this, I forgot I got this. Oh my gosh, it's a Smashbox primerizer. I almost bought the full size because, I don't know, I don't have a big problem with pores and stuff. Like, I don't have large pores. So I think stuff like this, like moisturizing primers work. I sometimes don't wear primers at all. If I'm gonna be out like for a really long time, I'll wear a primer. But if not, then I'll just use a moisturizer and just foundation, and I know I'll be home in a few hours. I'm really excited to try out this Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. So it's just this little tiny guy like so. That is it for these unboxings. Sephora Play is just not really a good box for those of you who are cruelty free. I'll leave Sephora Play listed down below if you want to try it out. I know I have some people on my channel who are not cruelty free, and I'm totally okay with that. If you are cruelty free, awesome. I still want you guys to like stick with me. I'm not going to judge you guys just because you're using non-cruelty free makeup. I really don't do that. I'm not like shaming anyone. I hope those of you who are not cruelty free are still enjoying my content and still enjoying the things that I'm using as well, and hopefully you're finding new things to use and new things to try and they are cruelty free. So benefiting from my channel, yay yay. So anyways, that is it for this video. I'm gonna be quiet because it is really late, you guys. I need to go to sleep. Actually, I need to catch up on some shows, then go to sleep. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up and have a blessed day. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.